Good morning everyone and welcome to week 4 of the fan build. Can't believe it's week 4. Time is going very quick. So this week we've ordered some wood. It's going to come and we're going to basically map out and start creating the brackets and everything for our kitchen space, for our bathroom, so basically we can see where everything's going to go, and it'll help with the electrics, which are going to be done next week. So yep, exciting week, and hopefully we might get our windows put in. We're going to see about them today, but yeah, let's go. Okay, since this is day 1, I figured I'd quickly go over what we're going to do today. And we actually just been to the shops and we picked out our flooring, vinyl wood effect flooring, which I'm quite excited about because now I can map in my head what way I'm going to interior design this thing. Okay, so we have got the metal bars, and basically we're going to put this but up here, and we're going to do 6 of them the whole way across there. And so we're going to cut everything to size, and we're going to get that done today. Okay, so we have put the roof batons in.
Yep. So these are going to be what support the cladding on the roof, and underneath is going to be insulation. So that'll be, once we get our electrics done, then we will insulate, yes? Yeah, so okay. Next week, once the electrics are in, yeah,
we can get insulation.
Cladding on. Hey. If you need to put these in, then here's what we did. And full disclosure, this isn't our idea. We got this from Nate Murphy.
Yeah.
So this whole beam is being held in by just one piece of 6mm. What do you call it?
Cladding? Plywood? What?
No, the metal bar. It's like a 6mm threaded bar.
Oh yeah, this thing.
So you literally drill a hole through each side of the support strut, and you have to then try and match it up so it's at the same point on the wooden beam. You push this up into place, and then you could sort of wedge this through, screw it on either side, and then with all the tension in the middle, it's solid on the edges.
Okay. That's about it.
That's about it, yeah.
Good morning everyone, and welcome to day 2 of week 4. And today we've had an order of some planned softwood from Wix, and I'm going to show you it and tell you what we're going to do with it. So this is 1.8 meters, and this is basically straight wood that's a lot nicer than this stuff here. So we're going to be using this wood to basically map out and create the structure of where our kitchen area is going to be, and we're going to do that today. So hopefully that turns out alright. Hello everyone! What a bad day! So today is the day that we're basically running around to pick things up. We're trying to get as much wood as we can, basically all the wood that we need to build our cabinets and drawers, because we are picking up our flooring and we're going to lay that in, and after that we don't want to carry wood in it. So yeah, exciting day. The new normal, mask on. Brad, what's that you've got? Wait, this is our flooring. So you can't really see the colour properly until we put it on, but yeah, exciting. So let's get that. Yeah, let's get that in the van. Oh, he gets such good service here at Jimmy's. Some coffee and biscuits. showed Brad these 3 shades of white for the cladding, and he thinks they all look the same, which on camera they might do, but they look different in person. I'm thinking of going for a vanilla white, which looks like this, but it looks like nothing on the screen. But I think this will be really nice against a dark oak, whereas a white like this would be far too harsh, and I want to create a nice warm feel. I mean, I'm talking like I know what I'm doing, but this is my idea behind it. Hello everyone, and welcome to another day on our van build. Today is an exciting day because we are going to lay our flooring, and I'm going to pass you over to Brad and he's going to explain what we're going to do. So Brad, talk us through it.
So here's the plan. We have our flooring.
Yes.
One. But first we're going to, because we're putting onto the plywood, we bought this stuff which is SBR. I don't actually know what it stands for, but people use it to basically create like a sticky waterproof layer on the wood itself before putting the vinyl down. And then the plan is just to stick it down with this spray adhesive. Yeah, we've never done this before, so it's going to be another learning process, but first job is just to sweep it, get it clean and prep the floor. And
then hopefully by the end of the day we'll have a new floor.
Yeah, exactly. It'll be an exciting day.
Let's go.
The only cleaner you'll ever need.
Thanks, Elbow Grace.
Maybe use that to clean up.
So we have finished our flooring just about. So we went for a dark oak color because I think it's going to make it really cozy. And yep, so this is vinyl, and we have put a nice little oak ridge here to protect, but it's actually really cool. And then we're going to put the edging around with this stuff, and it's also matching this. So I think when it's all done, it's actually going to look amazing, especially when everything else is going to be white, and this is going to be a really cool cozy space. So yay! Hello everyone, this is the last day of week 4, and today we are going to be fitting our solar panels, and it is a beautiful day. Apparently it's going to hit 31, so oh my hair, it's a good time to do it. So yeah, I'll show you what they look like right now. So we got our solar panels from Sunshine Solar, and we're going to show you the process of how to fit them. Yeah, we're just going to start by taking off the little edges so that whenever they're connected to these bits, they sit flush. Currently using a hand to get them off.
Well, come off. We're going to get these mounted on the roof today. This is how it's going to look. And we've measured it out, and it does just about fit
our roof.
Yeah, so we're going to take this and put it up on the roof, and then we glue these down with Sikaflex onto the roof. Then the panels themselves can be bolted together through there's like a metal bracket. Just bolt them all together, and then on the back are the cables, and we need to connect these all up in parallel. I think.
Or series parallel.
I think parallel is what we're going to do. We just need to wait for our adapters to turn up. But today we're just going to get them all mounted on the roof, and then yeah.
Perfect. So when we're putting the Sikaflex on these, we're literally just covering each area that it will clamp down on and putting quite a bit on to make sure that it's going to stay secure. So I said before we use Sikaflex, and this is 221, and you can buy this on Amazon, but it's worth getting a few bottles of this because it's really useful for loads of different things in a van build. So yes.
So as you've seen, we just screwed or nut and bolted all of the panels together, and then we hefted them on, and now all we got to do is drill thin pilot holes through the plastic and into the metal, and then all I'm doing is screwing a self-tapping metal screw through, and this pilot hole isn't very big, so it's probably going to take me a while to get through. That's pretty tight, and then if you do that on all, you can see all these little holes the whole way around. So there's going to be like, what's that, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 on each side, plus one there, and it will hold them down nice and firm. And then yeah, and then here, the cables come out from the solar panel. They go through this, I always forget what it's called. And then yeah, and then they go straight down through into the van. We can plug them straight into the MPPT and then to the battery. So yeah, job well done.
So that is the end of week 4 of the van build. I hope you've enjoyed this week. I feel like we did quite a bit, and yeah, and next week is going to be pretty exciting too. And yeah, if you want to continue on with our van build adventures, then you can subscribe to our channel. But for now, I will see you next week.